Sorry, okay, you ready? Dump it out, guys. Say we're all done with trick or treat. Now let me see this pile. Okay, dump them both out. Get them. Hang on. Right over here.
On the floor.
Keep it, no, not all over. Just in a nice little pile.
There you go. Whoa.
This is my tummy. And let's do mine.
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me get a picture. Back up.
Stomach hurts just looking at that. Okay, what are you guys gonna do with all that?
Insane.
Give it to. All right, Daddy gets all the chocolate and Mommy gets all the lollipop.
Wait a minute. Let me just take another picture. Here.
You wanna roll around in it?
Hang on. Hang on, guys.
Okay, look at Daddy. Wave, please.
Daddy, not mommy.
Oh, Mommy. All right, look at Mommy. Mommy, I'm not Mommy.
Okay. Wait a minute. Smile. Look at mommy. You're crazy.
Be nice, Trent.
Oh, what's it here?
Alrighty.
Oh, extras.
That's insane.
Insane. What's insane?
Insane.
Okay, are you guys gonna divide them up or what are you gonna do here?
Oh, let's sort them first.
All right, sort them.
But